In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey link using the web link collector in Surveymonkey. If you've ever needed to collect responses for a survey and are looking to streamline the process so that sharing is as simple as possible, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to set up and share your survey link. First things first, you'll need to log into your Surveymonkey account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific survey you want to work with. This is where it all begins. It's important to have your survey drafted and ready to go because the next steps will help you get it into the hands of your respondents. Next, you'll want to head over to the Collect Responses tab. This tab is crucial because it houses all the tools you need to manage and distribute your survey. If you already see the option to share a survey link, go ahead and click on it. However, if this is your first time or if you don't see an existing web link collector, don't worry. Simply add a new collector by selecting the web link option. This will create a new collector specifically designed for easy online sharing. Now, once you've set up your collector, it's time to consider the collector settings. These settings are key to customizing how your survey is distributed and accessed. You can limit the number of responses, which can be helpful if you're looking to cap participants for budgetary or analytical reasons. Alternatively, if you'd like to add an extra layer of security and keep your survey private, setting a password is an option. These settings give you the flexibility to mold the survey to suit your precise needs. Moving forward, you might want to add a personal touch to your survey link, and this is where the customization options come in. By clicking on Customize, you can select a custom URL ending. For example, you might want your survey link to end with something memorable, like your project name. Additionally, if you're working within a branded environment, you can change the domain, which is particularly useful if you're keen on maintaining brand consistency. And finally, there's the option to add a collector nickname. This will solely show on your dashboard for easy identification, but won't be visible to those responding to your survey. Once everything is set up, your final task is to simply click Copy Survey Link. This action copies the URL to your clipboard and enables you to paste and share it anywhere you choose, via email, on social media, embedded within a website, or even turned into a QR code to diversify how respondents can reach your survey. And there you have it, a streamlined process to create and share your Surveymonkey survey link effectively. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to distribute your survey efficiently and collect valuable insights with ease.